Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I've been on YouTube for more than 6 years and I have a great experience about YouTube. This is what I found on YouTube, and in this video I want to tell you the good thing about how can you have successful YouTube channel without you showing your face. I've been on YouTube for more than 6 years. I generated more than 100 million views, but I really never showed my face on that channel. So this is my channel. It has more than 600,000 subscribers and 100 million views. So stay with me and we are going to dive step by step to see other steps for you to have successful YouTube channel. But I'm really sorry about my voice. I was trying to record this video, but all of a sudden this is not working, so you really cannot hear me properly. So I'm really sorry about that. I couldn't stop recording because of this. It's just minor things. So I hope you are just going to listen to me very careful on all the process and what you have to do to have a successful YouTube channel. The most important thing for you to do is go and create your YouTube channel right now, because most of us I just keep saying to ourselves that we're just going to start a YouTube channel like next week or next month or next year. We just keep promising ourselves, but we never take action about creating a YouTube channel. So the most important thing for you to start right now is for you to go ahead and create a YouTube channel. That's step number one. You really don't have to hurt your head and thinking about what exactly are you going to talk about on your YouTube channel. That will come after you creating your YouTube channel. That's the first thing for you to start right now. Go ahead and create your YouTube channel. And our second step, you have to find niche. You have to find a certain topic that you want to talk on your channel. And that's a really important thing, because when you find what you really want to talk about on your YouTube channel, it will be very good for you, because you're going to notice how much you will be receiving just by doing what you're actually going to do. So right after finding the right topic that you want to be talking about on your YouTube channel, I think is very important for your first video that you want to upload on your YouTube channel. First of all, you need to do research on all the YouTube channels that are doing the same thing that you want to do. Let's say that you want to talk about entertainment. Look other YouTube channels which are doing the same topic that you want to talk about on your YouTube channel. Do research and see how are they doing it. And after doing that, you have to write script. It's very important for you to start with writing script on your first video, because this is going to help you very much. I remember my first video that I posted on YouTube. It took me like 2 days recording it, because I didn't have a script written and it was really hard for me to record my first video. All that I was doing, it was re-recording over and over again. It was really hard for me and I was getting tired. I said, okay, I'm not really going to do YouTube anymore, because it's really hard to start YouTube for the first time without you writing script. And I'm pretty sure that you are just going to get a lot of experience the more you keep working on yourself, the more you keep uploading different videos. But the first video, you have to write down what you need to talk on your YouTube channel. It's really going to help you. And the other most important thing is that you need to have strong storytelling. It's really important for you to understand that your audience is listening to you. So whenever you're talking, you need to concentrate and you need to focus on how you're going to keep your audience more interested to keep listening to you. So the longer your video is being watched by your audience, the more YouTube algorithm is recommending these videos to other people around the world. I really encourage all the beginners that your storytelling has to be very strong, because people have to watch your video from very beginning of the video to the end of the video, and this will help your video to go viral. You have to make sure that you put all that you have on your storytelling, and you will tell me how successful that video is going to be if you make sure that people will keep listening to you from the beginning of the video to the end of the video. This is really working, guys. The other thing is you need to be consistent. You're not going to be succeeded if you're not consistent. This is really not going to work if you're not posting your videos every week, every month, or in every given time. I want to tell you one thing. If you want to be serious about your channel, if you really want fast success on your YouTube channel, you have to give yourself like 6 months or 1 year of self-discipline. And if you keep doing what you are supposed to do in a given time, I'm pretty sure that you will see the great success on YouTube. It depends on what kind of topic that you want to be talking about on YouTube. But if you want to talk about entertainment, you can at least post every single day. If you're not talking about entertainment, if you're talking about finance or health, you can upload at least 2 videos every single week. And I'm pretty sure if you keep uploading that in every single week, every single day, just within 6 months, you're going to see success. On that, I want to give you my experience on YouTube. I remember I was not serious about YouTube in 2017 when I started YouTube, but in 2018, a year later after me starting a YouTube channel, it was like this. I wanted to be serious. I needed to get a lot of money on YouTube, so the only thing that I did was for me to at least post 3 videos every single day. More than 3 videos every single day. It can be 3 videos, it can be 4 videos or 5 videos every single day, and that helped me to become where I am right now. I received a lot of success at that time, and it was really motivating me to keep working. I remember I was receiving more than 100k views every single day or 200k views every single day. It's really easy to talk about entertainment every single day. It's really easy to talk about sports every single day. You have to make sure that quantity over quality when you start YouTube, because when you post a lot of videos, you're just going to have great experience about YouTube, but at the end of the time, you will just find yourself that you are providing very quality videos. You really don't need to be perfect when you start YouTube. So that's why I encourage quantity over quality for the first time, but quality will come itself after finding yourself that you have great experience about YouTube. And I would love to share a little tricks about how can you maximize what you earn on YouTube, and I think this is a really important thing for you to understand. Before starting a YouTube channel, as I told you before, you have to pick a most profitable niche, the most profitable topic, and if you put the right topic, I'm pretty sure that you're just going to get a lot of money. You can get few views, but you can earn a lot of money. And the best thing for you to understand is for you to understand this niche or topic that has higher RPM. And these topics that have higher RPM, it can be about finance, about health, it can also be about insurance. So when you keep talking about this topic, you really don't have to show your face as well. So you have to try this, and you have to go ahead and see how much you're just going to earn. But if you cannot talk about finance, it's okay. If you really cannot talk about health, it's okay. You really have to talk about something that you are interested in, because if you do that, you're just going to enjoy at the same time you're just going to work. So it's really easy, and you can go for it right now. I want to tell you, YouTube is a platform that can change your life forever. I've done a lot of things through YouTube. It changed my life, but too bad about me, I was talking about gossip, so is a really not profitable niche, so I didn't get a lot of money despite all the views that I have on my channel. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you